final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I lived a life that's full, I traveled each and every highway, oh and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, I saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, oh and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I've been off more than I can chew, but through it all, when they were down, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I loved, laughed and cried, had my fill, my share of losing, and now I still subside. I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, no, not me, I did it my way. What is a man? What has he got? If not himself,